Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to migrate VM from OLVM to VMware in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. VM migration in Vinchin Backup and Recovery is realized by restoring the VM backup on another virtualized platform, so an OLVM VM backup is needed at first. Here I have created an OLVM VM backup, and am going to restore it on a VMware SE host. Go to Restore. Just select this VM backup. Here select the specific VMware host, and you can simply configure the new VM here, such as VM name, CPU, memory, virtual disk and virtual network. Select Strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now it's finished. Let's check the new VM in VMware vSphere client. It has been restored to the VMware host, and let's try to log in to the VM. It's working. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.